the our channel Oracle DBA Smart. Today we will see how to drop the database. Sometimes user request to refresh the database, so we have take the RMAN backup and full database backup we have taken. So that data, that RMAN backup we will restore into the older and or UAT database. So old database we have to drop, then we have to restore the database. So that's the during this activity we have to drop the database. So how to drop the database today we will see. Okay, so first I'm going to pick the session of the database. So that is the server 10.192.168.205.187. This is our database IP. I'm just taking the session. Okay guys, so here we have to log in our database. I will show you. Okay, so you can see Aura DB is up and running. I will show you. Select name. Okay guys, here you can see our DB is Aura DB and open mode is read write. Database rule is primary. Okay, so if directly we are dropping the database, so you can see what error we will get. They will not drop directly in the database because data should be mount mode with exclusive mount mode. Okay, so that is the thing. So before this going to drop, we have to shut down the database. Okay, so I'm going to shut down the database, and this is a very crucial activity. So don't perform this activity without senior discussion. So if any database you are going to drop, so discuss with your seniors, and then you have to take this action. Okay. So because your current database will be lost in this database. So we have to, you whenever you have to perform this activity, discuss with your senior management. Okay. So you can see here we have already shut down the database. Okay. So now I'm going to just clear this session. Okay. Now you can see DB is currently Pmon is down. Okay. Now I'm going to log in database SQL prompt. Okay. So we have to mount the database, but exclusive exclusive here restrict. So we are going to mount startup mount exclusive restrict. Okay. So that database will be mount in exclusive restrict mode. Okay. Okay guys. So you can see our database is currently. You can see database is currently in mount mode. Okay, but here exclusive restrict mode we have mount. Okay, and now we are going to directly drop the database. Okay, so you can see database is getting dropped. Okay. Okay guys, so you can see our database is successfully dropped. So that is the scenario I have to say. And you can see DB is currently dropped from our database. Okay, so guys, that is the thing we have to I want to show you in this session. So this activity perform your senior guidance. Don't do perform without any senior discussion. Okay, this is a very crucial activity. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comments.